can always see the name. They say they want a real one. They say they want a real one to make them feel young.
Hey yo, what's good family? Welcome back to Astro Nori for another video. Today we're doing the full drop list for Supreme Week 5. At this point we do have all the items that are going to be coming out, and honestly this week isn't too loaded, but we got some heat coming out, low-key heat. I feel like it's not some shit that's like, yo, scratching your neck for it, but it's still fire. Like, we got the Oreos coming out. The Timberland collaboration could have been better, but that crew neck is definitely fire. We're going to get into all of that today. If you do end up enjoying this video, go ahead and slap a like on it down below. Subscribe to the channel if you are new and would enjoy more of this type of content. We're actually right around the corner from 15,000 subscribers, which is much appreciated that you guys come back and support the channel. Now let's see how fast we can get to 15K. If we make it there quick enough, I might just start a giveaway for you guys with some Supreme heat, but make sure you get me to 15,000 subscribers. And without any further ado, man, let's go ahead and get straight to it. All the way at the bottom, the dookiest item for this week definitely has to be those hiking trunner looking ass boot shoes that are coming out. Them shits are ass. I feel like if you could pull them off, more power to you, but for me, bro, it's not cutting it, bro. 3,400 people agree, and many people just think that these shits are ass, but I feel like some people definitely out there can pull these off. It's just not for me. If I were to go for any of these three colorways, it would definitely be the black. The other ones are just too much, bro. Another piece that I agree should be at the bottom of the list is this leopard mesh 5-panel. This shit is ass, bro. Like, this reminds me of something that thotties would wear back in the day, like maybe like 2007, 8, 2010, when cheetah print was the shit. This would be worn by your local thought, and this is not something that I'm gonna be wearing. Like, this is good for me. Definitely the black colorway is better, but it's just a pass in general. Next up, we got these pleated church trousers right here. The pink colorway is definitely the best one. I wouldn't wear these personally, but if you have your local turkey donating event, or like you're going to church on Sunday, hey, you can freak these right here. These do right by the Lord, but I feel like on a regular Tuesday you cannot freak these and make it look spicy. Like, it just doesn't make no sense. Next up, we got this Jacquard Logos denim shirt. This one is one that I already let y'all know my strong opinion on yesterday. I'm just not a huge fan of this, bro. Like, I wouldn't spend $140 for a Supreme denim like cowboy jersey looking ass. It's not my cup of tea. I feel like if I was to wear a denim shirt, it would just be a Ralph Lauren or like a regular brand, nothing too out there or $250-ish. Like, it doesn't make sense. Next, we have a piece that I feel like should be way higher on this list, and I don't understand why it's so low, to be honest, and it is this business hockey jersey. I don't know if you guys know, but Supreme did a collaboration with Hennessy, or I don't know if it was an actual collaboration, but they dropped this Hennessy jersey, and it kind of looks like this. It has that same slanted design, same Supreme on the back, and that shit goes for bread. Be red, bro. So it doesn't make sense why this is so low on the list. We got the grid taping velour pants, and we got the jacket. I feel like the colors are fire. This definitely goes better with the pants. I just can't see myself wearing the top too much, and I am actually a fan of that blue that they're choosing to do. It's like a washed royal blue, and it's so clean in my opinion. I just don't know how I feel about these squares. Like, it's just not me, bro. But the black colorway is definitely fire. I could see myself wearing those before the other ones. As far as the jacket goes, once again, it's nothing too special, so I definitely won't go for it. I don't even think this shit will have resell or will even sell out the first day. This is something that somebody's gonna be like, yo, I took an L on the Timberland shit. I took an L on the Oreos. I woke up 15 minutes late. Fuck it. Let's grab this jacket. No, like, don't do it to yourself. Next week, we'll always have more items. We got this woven hooded jacket right here. This is like some overseas, like some straight Jamaica type jacket right here. I'm not feeling it, to be honest, but it's just not for me. I feel like this is one of those hoodies that you find next to the shore. Like, you go to Seaside, you walk into one of the stores. This is the type of sweater they're gonna have in store for you. Like, I'm good on all this shit right here. This is like a poncho looking zip up sweater, and I'm just not a fan of it. Once again, it's something that's not for me. You might enjoy it, and hey, I don't knock you, bro. Like, if you like this shit, more power to you. Like, it's just not for me, you know what I'm saying? We do have the bling sweat shorts, which are actually kind of fire, bruh. If I take a L on the Timberland crew neck, the hat, the Oreos, I'll debate getting the bling shorts, but besides that, it's definitely not too special. We do have the Timberland 6 panel, which is actually fire, bro. The more I look at it, the more I like it. I definitely am a fan of that diarrhea green one. I am a fan of the mustard. Even the navy one isn't too bad, but besides that, I honestly don't know. Like, the black one is pretty clean as well. I just hope that the prices aren't rape. Like, they are cool, but I don't know if it's cool for $60, you know what I mean? Next, we do have the bling hooded sweatshirt. I feel like this is the same as the shorts. I low-key feel like the shorts have more wearability because the hoodie is just too much going on in one hoodie. Low-key, these are pretty clean, but I just feel like it's a lot going on, and typically I just like a simple hoodie, like one color, maybe two, a little logo on the titty, we good. But this is a lot going on. We also do have the signature short sleeve top. It's pretty much Supreme in like a signature format right on the chest right there. It's nothing too special, but one thing that I do like about this piece is the colors that they decided to use. That tone of yellow is fire. Even the blue that they decided to use is like a strong ass purpley like blue, and they typically don't use some of these colors right here. To be honest with you guys, I even am a fan of that green one because it's like a lime green, but it's not like a dot green. It's like a fluorescent green that you could wear low-key. I am a fan of this piece right here. Even that peach, fire piece nonetheless. Now we're getting into the more hyped portion of the drop list, and I do want to say that if you guys are interested in buying these pieces, the easiest and most reliable way to do it is by using Addict.io. They are the fastest and most reliable iOS bot. They do cover like 85 plus stores, and they actually just made an update where you can check out even quicker than they did before. They've been succeeding on TNFs on every week. They got the Ramelzy tees last week. They've been cooking up every week this season, and I feel like people have been giving them flack, but low-key they have been getting through, bro. I just feel like I haven't been doing it because I've been overloading my app. When it comes to me setting up tasks, I'm not the best at it, so I low-key been setting up like 5 to 10 for each item, and I realized that the more you set up, the less chances of getting through. So I feel like this week I'm gonna keep it real minimal. I'm just gonna put the most important item that I want on that list, and then I'm gonna keep it stroking. Hopefully I do see success because I have been setting it up a little bit wrong, and I finally got through on the way that I should be doing it. But if you guys are interested in this bot, make sure you go ahead and use code ASTRO for 10% off. It will be $130, but it is a one-time fee. You don't have to keep renewing it, which is also a plus. And if you don't have the money all in one, you can pay it in 4 different payments. Once again, shout out to Addict.io for sponsoring this video. They definitely are the fastest bot out there. The technology that they use is one of a kind, so I would definitely recommend you guys to go ahead and check them out. So yeah, I feel like the Oreos are gonna sell out quick. If you do want to have a chance at getting these, I would recommend getting Addict.io. Much like the Timberland crew neck, that's another piece that's highly sought after, and this bot will definitely help you succeed in getting the pieces that you would like to buy. So next we're gonna talk about this back logo sweater. At first, yesterday, I was like, this shit is ass, but low-key is not that bad, bro, simply because it is a knit sweater. I feel like that gives it that boost that it needed. If this was a thick ass Supreme sweater with the logo on the back, I wouldn't really be feeling it too much, but since it is a knit sweater, I feel like you could wear this on a nice little date, and it's simple on the front, then it has that big ass Supreme on the back that you really won't get to see. This kind of reminds me of that Balenciaga sweater or long sleeve that has the letters all the way across the back. I'm gonna try and find a picture of the Balenciaga shirt that has that big ass logo on the back. I feel like this piece might have some type of resale, but definitely not too much. Maybe in the better colorways it will do better, but it's not that bad of a piece like I thought it was yesterday. I do like the fact that it is more of a knit material. Next up, we do have one of my favorite pieces coming out this week, and it is the Meta logo long sleeve top. This one basically says Supreme going across the front in like different colors. It's kind of weird to explain, but the Supreme has Supreme written inside the Supreme in like different colored letters. It's like this gradient weird, like I don't know how to explain it, bro. It's just so fire. I definitely am a fan of that black black colorway, even the purple one, the navy is fire. That's the lime green that I kind of am not a fan of. It's like a throw up green and I'm not too fond of it, but it is not that bad nonetheless. Now we're gonna talk about the Timberland crew neck, which is actually fire, bro. This is one of the pieces that I'm actually gonna try and go for, hopefully. I do like the black colorway. That cream with the red is so fire, bro. The olive one, I feel like you gotta have the beef and Brock Tims to pull that one off, but that cream and the black one, fire. I feel like the cream is gonna be gone too quick to even go for it. If I did have the chance though, I would buy that one. That's gonna be the best colorway to resell, but low-key with this coronavirus shit going on, I don't know what's gonna do better. Shit might just not do good at all, but you can hold these pieces till the dust settles. Time is all different and we're back to our regular lives. These shits will go up definitely, but this crew neck is the best piece from the collaboration, hands down. I feel like retail won't even be too high on it because it is a crew neck, maybe 138, 148, which is not too steep. And last up we have the Oreos, bruh. The Oreos is the piece that I need for the personal. It's ridiculous that I'm saying that, but I have been looking at these Oreos since the beginning of the season. Low-key, I think I made a leak video years ago showing off some Oreos that were supposed to happen but never did, and the fact that they're finally releasing is just insane to me. I feel like resale will be there and it might be even higher because you can't sell it on StockX since it is food. This shit will do good. I hope you can rack up on like a box of these shits online because I am gonna buy as many as I possibly can just to have some around the room, maybe taste one for you guys. I don't know, I just feel like it's probably the same flavor as a regular as Oreo. I might even do a comparison video where I taste the, what the fuck am I talking about? I'm doing a taste test with Supreme Oreos. I don't know, but that pretty much does it for this video. The Oreos should probably retail at like $7, $8, which is steep as all fuckness, but I feel like resale might be like $15, $20 on a pack of 3 Oreos. 3 Oreos, not 6, 3 Oreos, bro. That's nuts to me. But that pretty much does it for this video. Leave a like if you did enjoy, subscribe if you are new and would enjoy more of this type of content. Click those post notification bells so you're notified each and every time I post a new video. Let's try and get me to 15,000 subscribers. We're so close, bro. I can almost taste that shit. We're about to hit 14,700. All we need is 300 subscribers. Let's see if we could get there, and once we do, I will start a giveaway for you guys, including some Supreme shit. But without any further ado, peace, stay up, and I'm out.
Never see the sun, always see the night. They say they want a real one, they say they want a real one to make a feel.